this open. And when you open up inside, instruction book, everything has been packed really well, so there's no damage to the glass. There's my cat, sorry. Before using, be sure and use a wet soapy towel to clean it up good. As you can see, for shipping, the shelves have been taped to prevent them from moving and breaking the glass. So be sure you remove all the tape and wipe down the interior before plugging it in. Another thing, make sure that you allow it to sit for 24 hours before you plug it in. Once you found the location that you're going to set it in. Once it has sat for 24 hours, then it's ready to be plugged in. Okay, as you can see, I went ahead and I changed the hinges. So now it opens this direction, and we're going to go ahead and power it on. Simple adjustment, up or down. 40 degrees is the perfect temperature for soda, so that's what I'm going to leave it at for now. As you can see, there's a light. Sorry for the glare. I'm going to leave my light off. To adjust this to a wine fridge, which I might do later, simply adjust this up to 50 degrees and it will turn into a wine fridge. So I thought I would show you that a 12-pack will not fit inside this refrigerator. You have to use the individual cans. Okay, I have filled this with soda. temperature seems to be holding just fine. All the sodas are cold. Seems to be working well.